So this is the view of that moon. Might not be good, but it's a view. And I'm gonna give you a view of the way down that way is the lake. You might see some flashes, you might not, but yep, there's one. But it's okay, I guess. Where I'm at, I prefer to be out in the country, but I'm gonna do a live feed at some point if I get enough subscribers, or just put the phone in the window and press record on the video and then upload it. So thanks for watching. If you like my stuff, please rate, comment, and subscribe.